Hello, good day everyone. To this video po guys, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang nagagandahang mga tulips na ito. So guys, enjoy the view of this beautiful. Ito po ang mga kulay nito ay kulay orange po, hindi po ito ang dilaw. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, orange po talaga. Pero yung top nila is dilaw guys. So ayan, napakagandang pagmamasdan guys ng mga tulips na ito. So, ibang varieties naman ito guys. So, ito yung orange. Kasi meron yan silang pula, blue, purple, at saka dilaw. So, ayan guys. Ito na lang muna yung orange. So, ayan guys. Napakagandang pagmamasdan kasi bukas na po yan sila. So, talagang parang malalaking tulips ito guys. So, kung makikita nyo talagang napakagandang pagmamasdan. So, enjoy the view guys. Ayan na. Napakaganda talaga ng kapaligiran pag ganito ang makikita mo. So, ayan guys. Enjoy the view of these beautiful flowers. Tulips guys. Orange tulips. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na guys, ito na lang muna ang aking ma-upload for today's video. So, I hope you like my video guys. Pa-like, comment, share naman dyan. And God bless you all. And I hope you all guys have a great day. And of course, I have to say goodbye. Enjoy watching guys. Bye-bye.